Everybody, I'm gonna tell you how to make sweet potatoes today. We're gonna make mashed sweet potatoes, all right? Grab your sweet potato, make sure to run it underwater, get all the dirt off of it, okay? And then what you wanna do is get you a fork and just stab 3 holes in it, all right? So just, you can kind of see that I got some stab marks in there. So just stab it 3 times and then get one of these big pans and get some tin foil and then spray a bunch of Pam on it. That way it doesn't stick because the sauces and shit will come out of it, all the sugar. So put it on that, spray it, and then put these on there. You're gonna wanna preheat the oven to 450. So wait till it hits 450, then you put them in the oven and put them in there for like 40 minutes, all right? Until like, how you know they're ready is I stab it with a fork. And if it's soft on the inside, you can see like it moving around and soft and it's not hard, then you know it's time to take it out, all right? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. All right, and I'll see you in 40 minutes. Okay, all right, so you wanna get a knife, slice them like this. All right, so basically slice them all up. Just like that. All right, remember to keep your oven on so to get some cinnamon. Doesn't matter, you can just put as much as you want on it. Because I mean, there's no calories in it. So let's put a shit ton. And then I'll show you what we'll do next. Get some tin foil since you already put it on there. Put it on top. Okay, and then we're gonna put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. So 15 to 20. This way you can let all the cinnamon get in there. So set another timer, 15-20 minutes. This will let it moisten up a lot more. This way it's more like chewy and it'll let the cinnamon get into it. All right, now that they're out of the thing, I get my glove on. Remember, don't just grab this shit with your hands. So when these cool down, make sure to unpeel them because you don't want to eat these because that's just, you know, why would you want the calories of something that tastes like shit? And just mash them down. I had some, you basically make it like mashed potatoes, so just throw all the skin into one bowl and then throw all the meat and then to another bowl, and that's how you're gonna eat it. All right, hope you guys appreciated this, how to make the sweet potatoes. Yep, and don't forget to like the video.